Hello. Ian.
Ian. Say hello to Uncle Carlos.
Say hello.
He's too.
The motor is too interesting.
Right.
Yeah.
He likes like trucks and
anything that's
trains.
loud.
Yeah.
Loud and.
It can't be too realistic.
It's video, so you guys don't have to pose. Yeah.
That's what that video is gonna be. Everybody posing.
That's interesting.
Cool.
Wait, really?
Yeah. It is video.
I like recording.
We have two sections of it. One is slideshow, one is special features. So I have to stop it because I don't want them. I wanted to see the special features another time. Right.
This is cool.
Hello.
Hey guys.
I'm looking for a good sun. Yes, she did.
What up? Here, I'll take it. I'm in the sun. You guys are in the shade.
I'm in the sun.
You definitely. I have two baseball.
What do you think of Florida?
Woo!
Anybody need one? Sometimes
That's a cohesive thought right there.
Yeah. What would you say you're on right now?
A boat.
How big is it? How big is the boat? Is it very big? How big? How big is it?
How's it going, Ian? You like Florida? Isn't it fun?
Big stuff, you know. We don't have that. But we know. Our partner is going to do a sleeping on the mattress on the bed and a lamp for like 5 days. Anyway, and then I'm going to, when Kelsey and Connor come, I'm going to send them home with a bag. I read a couple different books recently that are related. I read a book called 1891. Which tried to extrapolate what it's like combination for Western game. Yeah. And I mean the overall picture there maybe was like this. Initially it was really just a shadow of what it really was. Yeah. I mean I'm sure I just look at it. They don't have the full picture. There's a great blue heron. They're like dinosaurs.
No, I don't think you're going to see any. Oh, there's some babies there, it looks like. Cormorants, anyway. If you look closely, you'll see their nests.
The necks are awesome. What's that on?
Oh, it's like a turkey holder.
It's a big bird.
Oh dear. Oh no, Jim, you're chasing the way.
More uncomfortable than it would be enjoyable. You know what I mean? Like Carlos has this delicious veal. I like hardly, you know, even though it's super tender, I didn't even want to chew it at all. I would just like swallow it. I know that's not good.
All these trees on these islands that you see are not native. What you see right by most of these, well, people thought the case of the Australian pine, and it doesn't have a taproot at all because it doesn't like the salt water.
But they're still surviving?
They survive, but they cause erosion rather than protect the islands and the seashore because they're the first trees to go down. With their spreading roots, they uproot the soil, so it's a big mistake.
We all pray your first selection, not your rejection. Eve Marie, you know you've reached up to the clouds. Eve Marie, all the people can see you are a star who brings in crowds. We'll give you your fair due. We'll stand up and shout. Eve good.
Why are you singing along? And I sang this part that was in
So why did you sing it?
It's okay, I can edit it. I can cut it.
Cut the noise.
I don't want to sing this so long if I can get harmony.
Our sister Eve, a sweet lassie, you can see that she's charming and so disarming. It's quite alarming if she'd ever leave, you know, please don't be deceived. Our sister Eve has reached the highest she can achieve. Acting, singing, our ears are ringing. We'll be ever clinging. Eve Marie,
Eve Marie, we'll sing your praises to the sky. Eve Marie, oh Eve Marie, how can we tell you? Well, we'll try. Let's all pray. Your birthday's a very good time. We all pray your birth selection, not your rejection. Eve Marie, oh Eve Marie, you know you've reached up to the clouds. Eve Marie, all the people can see you are a star who brings in crowds. We will give you your fair due. We'll stand up and Eve Marie, you will inspire clouds. Eve Marie, oh Eve Marie, oh Eve Marie.
Yay!
I don't like the end. There he is.
There he is. What's up, Ian? Ah.
Raised a lot of objection.
Of course.
And turns out now, such a beautiful bridge.
Hey, Ian, what song do you like?
You like Raffi?
Do you like the ABC song?
Cool.
But definitely he's gone to LMNOP, maybe QRS.
Who uses the end of letters anyway, right?
The very end, slow down.
The thing is, if you sing, like this line here, Eve Marie, you really have a cloud. That's a very strange word to have in a song, first of all. And it's not funny. You know,
funny?
it's funny. It is. It's like you don't expect to, you really have cloud. It's like, it's just
Eve
funny.
Marie,
It's a,
you really have clout.
yeah.
And I love. Don't you get it all. Get ready for the next big show. Sarasota dreaming on this big 5-0. She's got a lot of dough. We can't say that much more, except that she's a hoe. I think we better go on this big 5-0.
That's hilarious.
She's gonna love it.
Yeah, she's gonna love it. I mean,
Like you were.
you got your sea legs, Ian?
Come on.
It is the silhouette of Captain with like a cape and like a tri-quarter hat with his foot up on his arm.
I guess
I'm loving it.
That is the funniest laugh.
Kelsey, would you have chocolate?